Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So in this pandemic time we cannot go out, so stay home and stay safe. Watch videos. Is there any doubts, any difficulties, any tough questions? You are welcome to ask any question in group. Okay? Sometimes we'll take live class also, so and videos also, so both you focus. Okay, don't worry at all. Now going to start chapter first, that is rational number, children. Rational number, before that number system you understand first. In number system, divided into two parts. First is imaginary number, second is real numbers. Imaginary number, real number. Real number divided into again two parts, that is rational number and irrational number. And rational number divided into two parts, that is integers and fraction. Integers divided into three, that is negative number, 0, positive number, and 0 is that whole number starting from 0, 1, 2. And positive number, that is natural number, even number, odd number, prime number, and composite number. You already studied in standard 6, 7. Okay. Now first of all understand what is imaginary number and the real number. Imaginary number, children, that is the number which doesn't exist, right? Like root under 1. Root under 1, the value will be 1 only. But root under minus 1 means nothing. Means the number which is not exist, doesn't exist, and that is denoted as a I for imaginary number. Right, like other number also, negative root under 2, negative root under 5, like that. These are the numbers which is known as imaginary numbers. Take example, suppose imaginary numbers which you can imagine, children, like I wish I could be like Amitabh Bachchan or Virat Kohli or MS Dhoni, etc. Okay, so that is the imaginary number, the number which doesn't exist. Okay, now come here, real number, that is divided into two parts, rational number and irrational number, children. So this is only we are going to study rational number. What is rational number, children? If P and Q both are integers, here I am writing P and Q are integers. Integers you have already know. What is integer, children? The negative number, positive number, and including 0. These numbers are known as integers. In number line you can understand. Suppose here 0, 1, 2, 3, and here minus 1, minus 2, like that we can take further. Okay, so positive, negative, and including 0. These numbers is known as integers. So in rational number, the number, if P and Q both are integers and Q not equal to 0, then P by Q is called rational number. Okay, children, when the integers, or in short you can understand like this, if the integers P and Q, the integer which is in the form of P by Q, which is in the form of P by Q, and Q never ever equal to 0, children. Why Q never equal to 0? Suppose 0 by 1, denominator is 1, the value will be 1. 0 by 2, the value will be 0. But if you will write 1 by 0, denominator would never ever be 0, children, because it will go in infinity. Infinity means not defined. The value not defined means value doesn't exist. So denominator never ever be 0. Always remember this. So the number which is in the form of P by Q and Q never equal to 0, Q not equal to 0, okay, and where P and Q are integers, then it is called a rational number. Okay, And you know the fraction number definition. What is fraction number? There is a difference between rational number and fractional numbers, children. Rational number which is in the form of p by q, fractional number also written in the form of p by q, and q not equal to 0. But what is the difference in both, children? In fraction only positive integers, but in rational number positive, negative and 0, all the numbers can be included. So rational number cannot be a fractional number, but fractional number can be a rational number. Understood? Because in fractional number always p by q is in positive, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, like that. Always it will go in positive number, only positive integers. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Now so things to remember here, already I have make you understand. Just see here some examples given in your book. 0 by 1, 0 by 2, this etc. In each of these cases, denominator is not equal to 0. But if denominator is equal to 0, that means it will go in infinity. Denominator never ever be equal to 0. That is a rational number. Okay. Now, so some points need to understand in this. Odd number, whole number, natural number, prime number, already you have studied, so that's why I am not explaining this again. Some important points are there, children. See here, a rational number is positive if its numerator and denominator have same sign, whereas a rational number is negative if its numerator and denominator have opposite sign. See here, 5 by 8, minus minus will cancel out, so negative negative will cut, 5 by 8 only will get, negative negative will become positive, or you can divide it, just cut it. Clear? So now second, if m is a non-zero integer and p by q is a rational number, then non-zero integer means it will not be a 0, children. Okay, p by q, if you will multiply any integer, you have to multiply up in numerator also, in denominator also. If you have to divide in numerator with the same number, you have to divide in denominator with the same number. Okay, so that is p by q is a rational number. Then you will get a equivalent number. Rational numbers is equivalent number. Okay, so all these important points, revise it, it is written clearly. Okay, what is standard form, children? Just see here, standard form. Suppose I am going to take which number, any number, take 35 by 42. Okay, you have to make it in standard form. Standard form means short form, so you have to divide with the same number. Suppose you will divide 7 in numerator, you have to divide by 7 in denominator also. 7 5 ja and 7 6 ja. So 5 by 6 you can divide further? No, we cannot divide further. So this is in the smallest term, means in standard form, because we cannot divide further. So 5 by 6 is equivalent to 35 by 42. So in this manner, any number when you will multiply in numerator, you have to multiply in denominator with the same number. In the same manner, divide also. I hope it is clear to you. Just revise up to here. Next live class tomorrow 11 o'clock, be ready. We'll understand properties of rational number. Till here, revise it. Okay.